So this video will help you to tackle the situation where you have unexpected length of numeric data formats. Right now I have only 4 examples for you, but it will cover all the basics that you would need in order to tackle this situation. So I have 11 numbers, 12 numbers, 15 numbers and 16 numbers in a CSV file which I have opened in a text editor. Right? Let me select it and paste it here. You would immediately notice something is off. The first number is looking correct. The second number, even though it is correct, but it is not showing the complete number even if I increase the column width size. The third number is again correct, which is of 15 digits. Okay, however it is in scientific notation. The fourth number, if you look closely and match it with the number that we originally had, it is 15 numbers and then 1 at the end, but you would see 0 at the end here. So what's happening? Excel shows only till 11 digits completely in a cell when we paste a numeric number. Anything or any number which has a length of 12 to 15 digits, it will convert that into scientific notation. If you don't know what a scientific notation is, the E plus 11 basically means multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11. E plus 14 is 10 raised to the power 14, right? Negative 14 would mean 10 raised to the power negative 14, and so on. So anything which is of 15 length number, it will reside in Excel as is. However, if you go beyond this 15 digit limit, things will change and anything which is after 15 digits will be converted to 0. How would you tackle such a situation? This is what we are going to learn today. So by nature, Excel doesn't support anything which is above 15 digits. So what we need to do is we have to take anything which is larger than 15 and basically convert that into text. Right? How do we do that? So let me take this and copy, go back to Excel, and I start the number with a single quote. This will convert that number into a text. That's one way to deal with this situation. However, normally we open files in Excel, CSV files in Excel, and this is not an option that we will readily get. So what will happen in those cases? Right? So normally we open CSV files, we copy this data, we go to Excel, go to paste, and we have use text import wizard here. We click on it, and what we will see is the text import wizard dialog box, in which we have the option of choosing the data type as delimited or fixed width. In this case, since we have single column, it does not matter what we choose. So I'll just go ahead, and then we are going to specify a sort of delimiter. Again, because there is single column, it does not matter what kind of delimiter you choose. We go next. Now here is the part where you would choose what kind of data you are getting. So this data we can change to text. Okay, you would see here, like if I click on general, you would see general here on the top. So I can click on text here, and then I can click on finish, and you would see that all the numbers are actually converted to text by nature. So Excel will treat them as text, so you can see all the numbers completely. I hope this will help you to import the data into Excel from whichever format you have, and if you face any situation, you will be able to tackle it.